टॉपिक है कंडीशन फॉर मैक्सिमम करंट from a series combination of cells. So these are the identical cells we have taken. N cells, हर एक का EMF E है, internal resistance R है, and this combination is connected to external resistance R. तो total EMF जो हो जाएगा यहाँ पे total EMF because these are in series. So E plus E and N times. So it will become NE. Similarly, total internal resistance will be R plus N times. So total internal resistance will be N R. So we can say what is the total resistance of the circuit, and it will be R plus R dash, so it will be R plus N R. So current will be I will be total EMF and E, that is R plus N R. Now from this we can get the conditions like first case, R is much greater than NR. In that case the current will be I will be equal to NE upon R. The reason is that this can be written as R, NR can be neglected. Now the second, and from this condition we can see, we can write it NE upon R. Means this is the current due to single cell. So we will get N times the current from the single cell. Second case may be external resistance is much smaller than the total internal resistance. So we can say that it can be now written as R plus NR, can be written as NR. So current will be NE upon NR, E upon R, and that is the current due to the single cell. So it is not a favorable situation. So we can conclude that when external resistance is large, then the cells should be connected in series to get the maximum current.